Intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? So today is going to be a pretty massive SHEIN haul. I got 2 orders, they both came in. So yeah, I'm gonna start out with accessories, purses, jewelry, and then I will get into the clothes. So I accidentally ordered 2 of a few things. I guess I forgot I had ordered them in the first order and ordered them again. So yeah, the first thing is this belt hanger. So you slide your belts in. But I have some belts that are bigger than that. I wonder how that will work. So next is this purse. It's like a patent leather hot pink purse that has a little chain here. I mean, I knew it was going to be small. I didn't realize it was going to be this small. I mean, can you really put, yeah, I guess you can put that on your shoulder. Or just carry it like that. Here's what it looks like inside. Okay. I ordered a few masks. This is one of them. This is a pink rhinestone mask. I do like that it has the little wire here to help secure it around your nose, and it also does have adjustable straps. Lip gloss on. Oh, that's super cute. This is something else I accidentally ordered 2 of, but I'll take it because I really like this, as you can see. And then I also got this one. So this does not have like the wire where your nose is, but it does have the adjustable straps. Ooh, that's pretty though. Ooh, that's really pretty. What is this? Oh, okay. This is a like shoe storage thing. This is travel shoe pouch. I know that when I am traveling, like shoes take up so much room. So let's see how this works. So it has a little mesh pocket here. Okay. And then it has a divider here. Okay. So you can put another pair in there. So how many pairs could we fit? We could put 1 in here. We could put 2 in here. Then maybe 1 or 2 there. And then, what's this? Another zipper that's messed up. Oh, that's for it to go in your suitcase. That's pretty cool. And then it has a little pocket. Huh. Let me see how well this works. Okay, I have 2 sets of heels in there. And then I could put 1 up there. So that's 2, 3. I'd say about 4 pairs of shoes, which isn't bad. Alright, next is this is a pop-up laundry basket. Okay. That's cute. Alright, this is a heart necklace. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that. I think I might keep that on. All right, next I got these little star earrings. They're cute. They look a little cheap, but let me see. Oh, shoot. I dropped the backs. Why weren't they on the earring? Okay, I lost the back. Here is what they look like. This is another necklace I see. Ooh. It's like a pink gemstone. That's really pretty. All right, let us get into the clothes. All right, I just want to have a little disclaimer. Now I know this is a fall try-on haul, but I just want to point out that I live in Florida and there are approximately 4.5 days where it gets cold here. So this may not be fall appropriate clothes for everybody, but yeah, I just wanted to say that. So the first thing I got, I thought was super cute and it looks comfortable. It's easy to throw on, like especially if I'm going to get a nerve ablation on my back. And it is this, oh my cat, this tie-dye hooded sweatshirt. So let me try her on. Okay, so here is the hooded sweatshirt dress. It is super cute. It's really comfortable. I wish it was a little bit, no, it's fine around the neck, but it actually is like fitted around the legs. I got this in a size large. The only thing is I wish it had pockets. I feel like I need to be able to put my hands in something, but I think this is super cute. And I have a feeling I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. All right, next, what shall I try? If you saw my last SHEIN haul, I got this dress. I got it in an extra large and it was a little bit too big, so I decided to send that one back and order this in a large. So hopefully this fits better. So yeah, it definitely fits a lot better. It's actually quite comfortable and surprisingly flattering for being like a bodycon dress. And I would definitely pair this with like a white jean jacket. Oh yeah, this is a vibe. And if it wasn't obvious before, it should be now. I'm obsessed with tie-dye. So this is another tie-dye dress. It is ribbed, very similar to the one I have on. This material feels a little bit softer though. And I also got this in a large. So let's see. So they actually look quite similar, this one and the dress I had on previously. But this one is, the material is a little bit more form-fitting. So I would definitely wear a jacket with this as well. I have a jacket that I got from SHEIN. I wouldn't wear it with this, but I figured this is something that I can try it on with. So I got this little open, like kind of cropped blazer type thing, size large. Let's see how it looks. That's cute. I kind of feel like I'm in a sorority or I'm in the Congress or something, but I would find a way to make it look cute. Alright, next I got these Houndstooth shorts. And they have these little gold buttons on them. Super cute. They have a zipper on the side. I got these in a size large. What shall I wear with them? So I ended up pairing it with this bodysuit that I got from Pretty Little Thing. I I'm not in love with them. They're super cute and I love how high-waisted they are, but I feel like there's just a lot of attention being drawn to my little pooch here. I don't know. Maybe if they had pockets or something. I'm just not in love with them. And I'd actually got this like white button-down shirt to go with them, and I tried it on. It did not look cute. But I do have an idea of what to wear this with. So let me go try this on with what I'm picturing in my head. Hopefully it'll look the same way it does in my head. Okay, so this is not what I originally had pictured in my mind. What I originally had pictured was this like tied like this. But well, actually it doesn't look too bad now that I do it on camera. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think it looks better with the belt or like this? I feel like I should be a mom or something, or like going to the opera. But it's a very soft, comfortable shirt. I wish it was a little bit longer. And I hate when it like you keep it open and it's unbuttoned too much, but then if you button it, it's like buttoned too much. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I wish it was just a little bit longer, as you can see. But we'll see. Okay, so the next item I got were these shorts or skirt kind of thing. They looked really cute on the website, but they're looking a little weird now. I mean, I don't even know what I would wear with them. I just paired it with like kind of this boxy tee because, I mean, I can't wear a bodysuit. I mean, it would have to be a white one and that would look weird, but I don't know. Yeah, I just don't think I could really find anything that would look super cute with them. But let me try on the next thing with this because it kind of matches. So I love these like cape, poncho type things, especially when it gets cold out, because I can wear it with jeans and a t-shirt and then just throw this over. And it's super cute and warm, but like not too warm, especially since I'm in Florida. So yeah, that would look super cute with jeans and like a white bodysuit or a white shirt. I also got this like chunky pink knit sweater. I got this in a large as well. That's super comfortable. Does it have pockets? Yay! Yeah, this would also look cute with like jeans and a white shirt or white jeans. Nice and warm. So next I got this like crocodile embossed skirt. So I'll be back. So I actually just decided to keep the same shirt on and tuck it in, and I think it looks really cute actually. I like the skirt does have kind of like this diagonal pattern here, and it's super comfortable, and I think it's super flattering as well. It's not like a faux leather, it's like more of a just a fabric material, but I really like it. So I got another like cardigan kind of batwing thing that I would wear with jeans and a shirt, but I'll just try it on with this. I love like the Batwing type of sweaters. They're super comfortable but yet super trendy at the same time. I got this C'est La Vie, just kind of simple little cami dress. So let me try her on. So here is the C'est La Vie cami dress. It's actually really soft, super comfortable. The straps are adjustable, which I love, and I can see myself just wearing this a lot, throwing it on and just running out the door. Do something like that. And the last thing I got, I actually got just to wear like underneath, like if I have like a sheer bodysuit or anything sheer. It's like a satin kind of bralette, but it was one size only, so I really hope it fits. I'll try it on or something. So surprisingly, it does fit. I actually think this looks cute. I don't think I'd ever wear it out of the house, but it looks cute. So it does have some padding to it. The straps are not adjustable, but I think it would be perfect for underneath some sort of sheer outfit. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got from SHEIN. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.